Hello guys. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell who I am, but today's cosplay that I'm working on is Clementine from the Walking Dead video game series, the Telltale one. I loved this whole, I love like horror games. And this was like based off, it kind of gave its like comic book feel, but they transformed it into a video game and I loved it so much. So I always wanted to do a Clementine look. So I did my hair already. So I did like a little curl. Well, I just left my curl there. And I actually got this hat from New York Comic Con 2 years ago. It was of course like, you know, in Christine condition, but a little like rough on the edges, and I just pretty much dirtied it with eyeshadow and fake blood to give that like roughed look. So I'm just wearing my sister's, actually got these two from my sister. This is kind of like a closet cosplay in a way, and then this is my shirt that I just put eyeshadow all over to give that comic book look in a way. I'm not gonna dirty, I would dirty this, but this is my sister's, so I'm just gonna just like let it be for now. But yeah, she wears, there's like different series, well not series, but seasons of this game. And you kind of, from season 1 to I think season 4 or 5, you see her grow up from a little girl. So this is kind of like, I think this is season 4 Clementine, where she's a lot older. So yeah, I even got the fake gun, boom boom, pew pew. So I don't know if you guys know who Clementine is, but she kind of has like this natural look already. So I'm gonna use, like, I just have foundation on because I went out earlier today. So I'm pretty much going to dirty up my face, I guess, with eyeshadow, and try to get the lines like I look like I'm in a comic book. So yeah, so everything is pretty much it, but like the way I look. So yeah, I'm just like looking at pictures, and I'm using, to draw the black lines, I'm gonna be using, if it focuses, this paint in black here. You just wet the brush, get it wet a little bit. So I actually have not used this before, so oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna just start on the nose now, or alrighty. So then let's see. This looks so weird, but see. I don't mind if I have like a little bit of darkness because my face is supposed to look kind of dirty, so just want to clean this up the line. There we go. And she has like a little I feel like everywhere it's like a little nick and cranny. What do you guys think? That I have like the lines, I guess it's time to dirty up my face. Oh, I'm using the Honey Naked Urban Decay Naked palette, and I'm using this fire color and Sting to kind of give this like dirt effect. Of course, dirt is not perfect. As you can see, I kind of just like making sure I get the edges of my face. Send you my head real quickly. Blend it. Guess I should get my neck too. Okay, and then I'm going to put some mascara on. My eyebrows, I literally got my eyebrows done the other day, so they're kind of ugly. So I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I think we're done. I really like her character. I know the finale was like kind of like a rush because of financial issues with the company, and I wish the game got the ending, you know, like the stuff it deserved, because it was such a good series, especially season 1. I would definitely recommend anybody to go play at least the first season of the Walking Dead Telltale series. It's a really great story. But I'm really excited that I love doing video game character looks, so it's good to know that I think I was able to pull this Clementine off. I really like that name too. Clementine. There we go. Ooh! So it's gonna be like, she's like it's a natural natural Clementine. Well, she kind of had them like a curly hair too, so pretty cool. Can bring her to life. So yeah, okay, so this is the whole look. I'm gonna go take some pictures. I actually really like it. I'll try to like post like in the thumbnail of like what she looks like, or like somewhere on the video, but yeah, not many people really know like who she is, because you know, not everyone's a gamer. But yeah, I hope I pulled this off. I really like it. I think it's cool. It looks cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures and add this to my video collection. All right, so see you guys.